Om Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschidukha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let everyone be free from disease, let everyone be happy, let everyone witness auspicious things in life. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. So that is the concept, and today being World Biodiversity Day, having a shared future, safe future for all. So we are talking about the lives in the planet, the lives, the various forms of species. As you know, there are plenty of species which are sometimes difficult to be exactly counted and detail index made. However, there was a universal ancestors long ago, millions of years ago, out of which all the lives evolved. Some of them are not visible with the naked eye. If we roughly divide them, there is the animalia or the eukaryotic. We belong to that, the human beings. Homo sapiens belong to this. There is fungi, there is plantae, there is protista, there is archaebacteria and eubacteria. The last two, archaebacteria and eubacteria, belong to prokaryotic or unicellular group. Prokaryotic here indicates they do not have, sometimes they have peptidoglycan cell wall, but mostly they do not have. Whereas the remaining are all eukaryotic, which is they are multicellular. For example, if we talk about the plants, varieties of plants, we talk about varieties of animal life, whether in water or in the earth or in the land. There are a total of some more than 8.7 million of these species, out of which 2.2 million belong to water. They live in water, they survive in water, they have their habitat in water, whereas the remaining all have their habitat in the land. Now there are plenty of these prokaryotic or unicellular organisms. Sizes vary from millimeter to 1/10 of a nanometer. Mainly these bacteria have got different shapes, as you know, cocci, bacilli. Then there is what is called the spirochete and the vibrio. They do not have a nucleus, but they have a tRNA and mRNA, and they have got a proteinous code. Also, we have got the viruses. You know, viruses have got DNA. However, they always survive inside the cell of others. Think for a moment, we are not only talking about bacteria or the plant life or animal life, which are related directly or indirectly to the human beings. We are also talking about large variety of these lives in the earth, species in the earth. The bacteria or the microorganisms only consist of some 1 trillion, or maybe exact count is difficult. They have got their varieties, as I said, bacteria, viruses. Then there is a group called archaeobacteria, like the protozoa, the helminths, the algae, the fungi, and the similar ones. More are being discovered every day. So, shared life, definite life, good life, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina for all. Let us consider for a moment the lives that is around us. We have got fungi, what is called the mold. Some of the fungi also infect us. if we relate ourselves with this, this oral thrush, there is an infection called oral candida albicans. Many of the helminth infect us, many of the protozoa, like the amoeba, Escherichia coli, they infect us. Of course, the large amount of viruses. Recently, this corona or the crown-like organism which grew inside our cells and divided very fast, causing a havoc all over the world, causing the pandemic. So that is for you, the virus. Regarding this animalia and plant life, they provide us shelter, food, and it is a process which is always being, recycled. So recycling of this, because remember the theme, sharing a future for all. Future means, so do you think all the damage causing or disease causing viruses, we have to live with them? Well, I do not know the answer. Try to seek the answer yourself. I really don't know. You see, because we have to protect ourselves at the same time, they have to survive. Okay. And please remember the amount of microorganisms which are present in our body. Somebody calculated it is about 10% of our total body weight. Suppose I am 63 kilo. That means some 6 kilo consist of the microorganisms I carry. Are you listening? If you are listening, please pay attention. Talking about the universal ancestors, the evolvement of life in earth, biodiversity. Bio indicates all the life in the planet, whether in water, whether in land, or whether micro or macro, eukaryotic, prokaryotic. And also remember, please remember, if you are listening, this is an idea which gives you a total more scope, more horizon to understand the bacteriology, microbiology, parasitology, virology related to human beings is just a small fraction of the whole thing. If there are 1 trillion species of these microorganisms, if there are 8.7 million species of others, just imagine. Because we are part of it. So this is just a short summary. You could go and read. There are a lot of materials available. Read about the whole fungi. Read about the fungi are very interesting group of organisms. We used to read, our A.M. Singh used to talk about algae and fungi. We read a lot of botany in our time. We had read also about zoology by D.K.T. Dil Kamal Tulakar. She was a good teacher. Then of course Nirmala was there. Nirmala madam, she taught us a lot of botany. So some of that comes as a flashback. There have been new, ideas, new things which have been discovered, and they have all been now supplanted in this world of knowledge and world of practice, world of application. With that, I think I'll close. It is large enough, big enough. Please understand World Biodiversity Day, and our knowledge has to be up to date. Thank you.